For Terra Classic coin to rise, they need to destroy at least over 600 billion coins, which amount to 10% of the supply. The supply right now is about 6.8 trillion, okay? Now, if Terra Classic still have that hope, if they really want to see the coin hit and rise back to where we want to see it, and gradually, with time, with like other crypto coins, the coin will be rising because people now see Terra Classic as a coin that have continued to drop, okay, that have been dropping. This coin actually hit the top 30 crypto coins even after the crash. Today it's now ranked almost 87th or 90 crypto coins with the highest market cap. That shows that every week, every month, Terra Classic has been dropping. It has been dropping. It will keep dropping till it will enter the top 200. It will keep dropping until it will be over. So it means the coin is not moving forward. There is no progress on Terra Classic coin. It might look as if, wow, it's still among the top 100, but before you know it, it will be out of the top 100. So for Terra Classic to maintain steady increase in price like other crypto coins have been doing, they need at least 10% of the supply, which is at least a little over 600 billion coins. If they can burn 600 billion coins, then it will furthermore create that foundation, that trust that Terra Classic have been looking for. People started buying and investing on Terra Classic back. Do you know why? It's because of the burning. Go and ask, go and research. Earlier, since May last year, Terra Classic coin has been there. The only thing that attracted people to start investing, and that is also what attracted me personally to invest on Terra Classic and to even start recording videos about Terra Classic, was because of the tax burn, the issue of burning, the plan they have for the burning of Terra Classic. I was like, wow. It means in the next 1 year, they will burn more than 50% of the supply. Because what we learned was that they can burn up to 1 billion or more in a day. Thinking the trading volume will massively hit, people will rush. Though people rush then, over $700 million to $800 million was added investment on Terra Classic. That is huge amount during the period of the tax burn or what. That is why I keep saying it was the burn that attracted people more on Terra Classic. If they can come up with another burning idea, this idea can trigger, this idea can push, this idea can move investors to invest on Terra. This idea can make people who don't have trust anymore on Terra Classic to start getting that trust. So 10% should be the target for now. But the question now is, how can they achieve this 10%? We will leave this question to the developers. For me, I have nothing to say, but I just hope they can do it. But please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.